My name is Spencer Thompson. I'm Business Development Manager at Dyness. I'm here with Matt. So, hi Matt, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, Matt Doris with Divided Sky Roofing and Solar here. Partnered up with these guys. Couldn't be happier. So,
just wanted to ask him a couple questions. We got this 20 kilowatt Orion system installed in his house. So they're starting to partner with us and use these systems. The first question I had for you, Matt, was...
the main reason is because it's a package unit. I like the fact that I can buy, it comes with the 20 kilowatt hours with battery, BMS, inverter, and the smart control device. I love the fact that it's got a 200 amp pass through, so it can back up my whole entire house. That's really the main reason, instead of having to go out there and buy batteries and then buy an inverter and then buy all the other stuff. It comes in a package, easy to install, as you can see. It's super slim, slick. Didn't take up a lot of room in my garage, so yeah, that's the main reasons for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah,
that's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
Then,
I mean, my electric bill went from $300 a month on average down to maybe $20-$30 a month. I love the fact that I can use the batteries at night, and it drains down to a certain set point, and then the grid kind of takes over if it needs to, and then in the morning, when the sun comes up, it just starts to charge the batteries, just like it's doing now. It's kind of charging it back up from last night's use, and the fact that it's instantaneous power transfer when there's a grid outage. Tested it, switches right over, so no resetting clocks anymore. So it's pretty cool. And I like the fact too that you'd be able to couple up a generator to the system too, if you ever wanted to, just have that extra, added, safety factor or something. You can couple up a generator to it as well if you wanted to. I don't think I will, but it's nice to have that option too. So
right, exactly. These are all super important facts for Texas specifically, but for all over the U.S.
Especially with the outages that we've had and the snowstorm that I think kind of triggered a lot of the batteries, the battery cells in Texas, and generators and backup power. People want backup power.
Exactly.
People that died in that storm. So, people get a lot of calls from solar folks, people that just solar only, that want to couple up their existing solar to a battery backup system. It's perfect. Perfect package unit for them. So
exactly.
Yeah.
And I guess the last question I have for you.
Oh, just support, post-installation, pre-installation, even during installation, if my electrician's got questions or 5 questions, just after sales support and things like that. If I can call and talk to somebody, which I know I can. So if I ever have any issues, I can just call Spencer and he can get things done for me, put me in touch with the right person. So support really is just, and then just up to date on the new stuff that comes out. So, there's always new things in the pipeline, new R&D's busy, I'm sure. So, we just like to keep ahead of the game, know what's coming down the line, so we can kind of let our customers know, hey, this is coming out and those kind of things. So, yeah, super happy.
Awesome. Thanks, Matt.
Yeah,
Thanks
man,
for your time.
Absolutely. No problem. No problem.